Hey guys, welcome to Andy's channel. In this video we have this Tecno Spark 20 and I'm going to show you how you can bypass FRP on this phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end to successfully bypass the FRP. So here we go. Just go to your Wi-Fi settings and tap here. Go to nearby, need help hearing, and from here click on the three-dotted menu, share article, and open the Phoenix browser. And guys, now from here search for the headroom or the FRP bypass. You're gonna see the headroom website. Just tap on it, and now go to settings. Once you're in settings, find the accessibility menu and turn it on. Let's just check it's working. So guys, now you have to find the app menu and just disable Android setup. If you can't disable it, just force stop, and also do the same on Android Auto. And now find Google Play Services and disable it. Once done, go all the way back and now go next. I'm just trying it directly, but you can try restarting your phone and reconnect Wi-Fi on your phone. So the method is gonna work 100%. As you can see, I have disconnected Wi-Fi and connecting it again. So let's just move on to it. There you can see. So guys, now it's gonna take some time, but now what you have to do, you have to use the accessibility menu to enable the Google Play services. Let me just show you how. So guys, now tap on accessibility menu and tap on assistant. Just try it multiple times so you can access the settings to enable the Google Play services. You can keep trying it to access the setting. And there we go. Simply just enable it, and that's it guys, that's all you need. Now there you may see this, but your FRP is successfully bypassed. So simply just click next, and that's it. So guys, that's how you can bypass FRP on Tecno Spark 20. And here we go. So that's all in this video. Make sure to leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.